Hi, my name is Dr. Lofton. Welcome to LifeForce Family Chiropractic, where we specialize in principled neurological based care. You're probably wondering, what's principled neurological based care? And why would I bring my whole family? Well, let me address the principled part first. When you were created out of 120 trillion cells. Now, if you ask me, that's a miracle. That's amazing that you and I are made up of 120 trillion cells. But the question is this: what do you need to regenerate and heal? Did you know that every 6 weeks you have a brand new liver? Did you know that every 365 days, every bone cell in your body is brand new? Did you know that every 120 days, all your red blood cells are brand new? Why? Because God programmed the body to be able to regenerate, to be able to heal, to be able to repair itself. So if it's true that the body repairs and heals and regenerates, then why is there so much sickness and disease on this planet? I think I've got the answer. And the answer is this: either number one, you're implementing the wrong principles, or number two, there's an interference in the body and you haven't got the interference removed. So let's address the principled part. We said we specialize in principled neurological based care for the whole family. The bottom line is that out of those 120 trillion cells, we need to ask ourselves as scientists, as doctors, what does the cell need to regenerate and heal itself? And everyone on the planet knows that every single cell needs what? Water. 70-90% of God's body is made up of what? Water. The second thing we need is oxygen. Every cell needs oxygen to repair and regenerate itself. The third thing is proper nutrients. The fourth thing is, you won't even guess, every single person on the planet will know the top three: water, oxygen, proper nutrients. But right now you're probably asking yourself, what's number four? What's the fourth thing scientifically that my cells need to stay alive, to regenerate, and repair themselves? Have you guessed yet? I know you don't know, because I do this. I speak and teach this model to people all across the United States all the time, and no one ever gets number four. The fourth thing is communication on a cellular level. Neurological communication. You heard of neurotransmitters? You've heard of those chemicals that come from your brain: serotonin, insulin, dopamine, all these different chemicals. Yeah. You need cell-to-cell communication taking place. And guess what? You live your life through your nervous system. Your nervous system controls and coordinates every single function in the human body. If your nervous system's healthy, guess what? You're healthy. If your nervous system breaks down and deteriorates, guess what? That's right. You break down and deteriorate. So the fourth thing that the cell needs is proper neurological stimulus, or cell-to-cell communication. And that's where neurological based chiropractic comes into play. So there's really four things every single cell needs to regenerate and heal itself: water, oxygen, proper nutrients, or, like I tell my patients, a rock star diet. And number four, neurological based adjustments to make sure that there's no interference between the brain and the body.